Struggling to manage social media at enterprise scale? That's where Sprinklr comes in. In 2025, Sprinklr helps businesses handle social listening, engagement, advertising, and analytics all in one platform. You can monitor multiple channels, schedule posts, analyze performance, and respond to customers in real time. The real strength is control. Sprinklr connects teams, data, and social platforms so enterprises can maintain consistent messaging while scaling campaigns. Smaller teams may find it complex, but for large organizations, it's a complete social operations solution. So, if you want to streamline social media and drive engagement at scale, Sprinklr is a tool worth checking out. Like the video, subscribe, and comment what tool you want review next.